Why the bouncer don't let in the people them? You know, see how the line long.
I am lying now. Leader of the Thunderpuss. Nobody now go in until me say so.
Man in the belly skin blouse. Let in the people them.
What? Me no wearing a belly skin blouse. This is me thunder suit.
Why?
Alright, everybody going in. Except you. Yella, who you a pass your place with? You see me a wear any belly skin blouse?
You know, sister, your belly skin blouse sexier than mine.
What? Sort of omens. Give me something for cosar. Tell me if this gal a will tight beyond tight.
I will take what enough man she have.
Miss a belly skin bouncer. Move out of me when I'm going to the party.
What? Thunder, Thunderpuss. Yeah.
Wrong blood clot, y'all lick your ear, me go show you see a pure bad man me have.
Y'all me no care about you or your man them. You cannot call bad man shirt belly skin.
Why?
A few moments later.
Jason. Freddy. See the pussy while they were putting on pa me?
What? Me? Me never touch nobody. I'm a sword of homens lick you.
Stop tell pussy call like for me.
Don't blood clot touch me. You gonna make me bad man them murder your blood clot.
I won't watch I do. Young up for me. Yeah. Now me have to call my friend them. Thunderpuss. Wait, the line busy? Hold on, they make me try that again. Thunderpuss.
Snarf, fly, you know, nobody not gonna help you until you change that belly skin blouse when you are wear, Snarf.
What? Nobody not gonna help me. No, do no bad like me. Your mama is a hoe. Harley Quinn is a hoe. Where the next one gone? What? Give me back me sword, evildoer. Sword of omens, come into my hand.
Why?
Me think she say who know a bad man. You think me have time to waste with you, no? The two who know that you know is a... Oh, sit down, let me catch her asleep on a dream. Wake up, me general, the pussy run.
On the murder him for me?
The pussy run, babes. Me have to go catch him when in my dream.
That's why I love when you come here, Jason. I love when you see. DJ, play a song for me too, bad man them.
Boy, Harley Quinn be a bad man you fucking know. Tune!
Bubble your body for the up top boss. Bad man a fuck your baby a top class. Bad man a fuck, bad man a fuck, bad man a fuck, bad man a fuck, bad man a fuck your baby a top class. Jump up in a belly like say you're upstart.
Hi Jason and Freddy, me can get a picture with you now. Big old girl, move your dirty ass from here, so you stink like. Damn, you know, come over here so come meet my friend Freddy.
Girl, you ever dream about me yet?
Every time I see you in my dream, I try to kill me with a claw them.
See it there? DJ, send a buckle over here, sir. Babes, bring a buckle, go get them for me there.
Me no in a bankrupt. Me no 6 out here, you know we run prof. At the squeeze up the breast, stop up your body.
Ladies night in a club Zabz TV. The girl them time now.
We define your man, me see your baby picture full of. Girl, your sexiness a multiply as you get older. Underneath the
Right.
them no ready for
Them
you,
no ready.
them no ready for you, them no ready,
Them
them no
girl, them
ready for you,
ready.
them no ready for you, them no ready.
Johnny Bravo, the girl them man there.
See the girl them man, yeah, yeah. See the girl them man.
Damn, I'm pretty in a blood clot. Hello, mama.
I have a penis for your vagina hole.
Your legs them look sexy. You know where them wanna look much more sexy? Pon my shoulder. Damn, I'm pretty in a blood clot.
Get away from me.
I instant block and delete.
That girl they want me. Hey there, baby.
All me want right now is just some company.
You want to wrap me up in your web and make we do the hokey pokey? That girl, y'all try to tie me. Hey there, sexy baby. You have a man to take care of you?
Baby, just mama spoil you. Get anything you like.
Jinkies, me have a man to take care of me, yeah.
You know what better than a man to take care of you? Two men to take care of you.
Man, I'm pressure nobody that time. Is that?
Stop right there, evildoer.
Yo, my youth, where did you make that catch me?
Sword of Omens, come into my hand.
Yo, my youth, stop tell man to come in on like you think man a fish now.
What do you want, evildoer?
What more you fi do? I change your belly skin blouse. And your big blue brief. About that you wear. Is that onesie?
What? Sword of Omens. Wonder.
Look, them have seal pan blue onesie. Over there, so.
What? Where?
Fucking fool, like, go change your fucking belly skin blouse.
Why everybody you say me a wear belly skin blouse? This a me tan suit.
Big up Batman in the building.
Bumbo will stop tell people say me a Batman. Today I'm Bruce Wayne.
So why you still wear the mask?
To protect myself from coronavirus, damn idiot.
Alright, Bruce Wayne.
Me go hide my bat suit in the restroom. Just in case me have to beat out somebody blood clot.
And when you just hide in the bathroom, you have to go shower this. Bumbo wall bat suit. Hee hee. Alright, me again. Spider bat. Me try that in the way. Remember well. No, sir, me can't use this apple cloth. Me use me regular web. Wee!
Domino, baby. Where there? Me a see you down here with man. Hello, excuse me. Me need to talk to you.
Batman, please don't do this right now.
What? And this a ugly blood clot man you left me for.
Batman, you cannot do that. Them man, you're bad man.
You think me give a blood clot about bad man? But look how I'm fucking ugly too. Pussy, how you call ugly? How the blood? Since them a bad man, me a go show you say, I'm Batman. Oh, this feels so tight. How many mama ass is this? Don't you think it's Spider-Man?
Bat spider.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Come on.